Hola nursery! This week we are going to recap on some of the sounds we learned in nursery. Are you ready? Barod? What sound is this? For this sound you have to press your lips together like this. Well done. That's how we say it. Now, how are we reading this sound? Well done. Now, how do we write this sound? Ready? I'm going to go from the top. I'm going to say Macy, mountain, mountain. Down. Should we do it again? Show me your finger. Down. Ready? From the top. Macy, mountain, mountain. Fantastic. Down. Now, nursery, can you think of any words beginning with the sound I have a few. I'll show you now. What sound is this one? Ah, ah, ah. Ready? Ah, ah, ah. Well done. How do we read it? Ah, 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 ah. Now, how do we write it? Ooh. We go from the top and we say around the apple, down for the leaf. Ready? Around the apple, down for the leaf. Down. Can you think of any words beginning with the sound ah, ah, ah? I have a few. Ready? What sound is this one? Down. That was fantastic. Now that's how you say it. How do you read that? You read it from here and you go S. Do it again. S. Well done. Now, how do you write that? Go from the top and you say slither down the snake. Can you think of any words beginning with S? Barod, what is this sound? D, 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 d. Down. Ooh, D for down. Fantastic. D, d, d. That's how you say it. Now, how do you read it? Go from here and we go d, 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 d. Down. Now, we know how we say it. We know how we read it. How do we write it? Put your finger up in the air and we go around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. Down. Well done, everyone. Can you think of any words beginning with the sound D? I know a few. And the last one for this week, what sound is this? T, t, t. Down. Fantastic. Now, can you show me your mouth? T, t, t. I can feel air coming out of my mouth. T, t, t. Can you feel it too? T, t, t. Down. How do we read it? We go in from the top and we go t, 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 t. Well done. Now, how do we write t? We write it like this. Easy. Down the tower, across the tower. Ready? Down the tower, across the tower. Fantastic! Well done, nursery. Can you think of any words beginning with the sound Well done, nursery. Keep practicing your sounds. Remember to play I Spy with my little eye. Adios.